Good evening. Today I'd like us to discuss about aging. And aging is something that is guaranteed that will have to happen to each and every one of us. But the question is, how do we age? Aging means a process by which both physically and at individual, what we call molecular level or cell level, our cells start to accumulate different components that make us age, that make the cells grow old, let me say. And that is age. So that describes what aging is, and it is a process. Aging is influenced by three different factors. The first is lifestyle, the second is the environment in which we live, and the third is genetics, the genes that we carry. So it's not, aging is not just about advancement in age. You can actually be young but your body is actually aged, and there are ways or tests that can be done to tell you what we call your biological age is, or how old your body is. You might look well on the top, but yet your cells or your body is aging. And like we've said, your genes play a part, the genes that you inherit from your family, the environment. If you're living in an environment that is highly intoxicated, highly polluted, chances are you will age faster. And that means intoxicated with all sorts of things that come out from industries, the things that we put in, we dump in the environment, all those affect us. Then lifestyle. Lifestyle is important because we feed our cells. The more you feed your cells on the right things, the more they rejuvenate, the more they stay healthy. And that is why we preach about lifestyle management. This includes getting enough sleep. So the older you grow, ensure you get, chronologically, the older you grow by age, ensure you get enough sleep, ensure you exercise, ensure you eat right. Eat right means increase, like we have said before, your fruits and vegetables, because these are live foods, so they will keep your cells vibrant. Reduce your alcohol intake, reduce smoking, reduce intoxicants like drugs, because all these affect the way our body or our cells age. Increase your flexibility of joints, and this is through exercise, like we've said. Maintain a healthy weight so that your body, your spine can actually carry your weight. Otherwise, if you don't, that is how you start to see people get conditions like cataracts, where the lens in your eye actually ages, because it also ages, and you might not be able to see well. You see people develop what we call refractive errors, either they become long-sighted or short-sighted because they can't see well. That is part of aging. You see people develop conditions like diabetes. They are unable to control their sugar because maybe the organ that produces insulin, called the pancreas, which manages the sugar, is aging. You see people start to get hypertension or high blood pressure because their blood vessels which transport blood, or their heart, are aging. So all these build into aging. We want to age gracefully. We want to age slowly. We want to live a healthier life even with advancement of age. So let's keep putting these practices into habit so that we can age gracefully.